Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking granola. We're talking olive oil granola. You know, for the longest time, I believed that the granola varieties in our grocery stores were a healthy option. But when I started learning more about nutrition and about health and about ingredients, I realized that actually they were not very good for you. They were full of unhealthy fats, refined sugars, and not much nutritional value. But I'm here to tell you that making your own granola is so simple and so customizable. This recipe is full of healthy fats, fiber, protein, and with unrefined sugars. And again, customizable. I customize the nuts and seeds all the time, and so can you. The other thing about this granola recipe is gonna sound odd, but it makes a great gift. So when I am seeing a friend that I haven't seen for a long time, or I need a birthday gift or a hostess gift, I'll make a big batch of granola and then I will purchase these wet jars. I'm sure you guys know about these jars. I buy them on Amazon. These ones come in a pack of 2. What I'll do is I'll fill them up with the granola, I'll add a recipe card, I'll do a little bow, and it is always a hit. So let's make olive oil granola. First, you want to line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. Next, you want to roughly chop your nuts. I did a combination of walnuts and pecans. I always add walnuts for the incredible omega-3 benefits. Next, you want to grab a large bowl and you want to add your rolled oats. Then you're going to add your chopped nuts and the rest of your dry ingredients. I chose pumpkin seeds for the magnesium, hemp seeds for the protein and omega-3s, and a combination of chia, ground flax, salt, and cinnamon. And you want to give everything a good mix. In a medium-sized pot, add your good quality olive oil, along with some maple syrup, and a little coconut sugar. What you want to do here is you actually want to dissolve your coconut sugar on medium heat for about 3 or 4 minutes. Put a little of the mixture between your fingertips, and if it doesn't feel grainy, you're good to go. Next, you want to coat all of your dry ingredients with the wet ingredients. Make sure that everything is well coated. Now you want to grab your baking sheet and you want to spread your granola mixture out in an even layer. Bake at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 40 minutes, and you want to gently stir every 15 minutes or so until your granola is golden, brown, and dry. Once it's completely cooled, it sounds like this. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy sweet treats. If you try this recipe, make sure that you let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on it. Until next time, happy baking.